Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make beef barbacoa. For ingredients, let's check down below. So for ingredients, I have about 2 pounds of beef. The one that I use over here is chuck roast. You can use blade, you can use any cut you like. I have coriander, I have oregano, garlic, bay leaf, lime, and this one is chipotle pepper sauce, salt, pepper, cumin, and 2 cups of water. So if you want to make it a little bit more delicious, a little bit more tastier, you can change this water to beef broth. But now I'm gonna make the simplest version, so I'm gonna use water. So the method that I use, I'm gonna use instant pot today. 2 pounds of beef, and then you wanna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 3 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper sauce, bay leaf, 3 leaf, or if you have small leaf like this, you can put 5, and then juice from 2 limes, cilantro, you want the leaf, and you want, and 2 cups of water. As I mentioned, for water, if you want to get more good results, you can use beef broth. So 2 cups, and then you want to mix it with your hand, and then we're gonna cook it with our instant pot. For instant pot setting, make sure first thing first, your steam valve, you want to make sure it's in sealing, not venting. So it's on sealing. Make sure your lid is completely closed. And then for the settings, you want to put meat or stew, and you want to put 45 minutes. And you gotta make sure it's on high, or here it's more. So we're gonna leave it for 45 minutes. When it's done, we're gonna come back and we're gonna check it out. All right guys, so after 45 minutes, I'm gonna put it as a natural release. So it's not quick release. So it's about 30 minutes, so 45 minutes cooking time, and then 30 minutes about to releasing the with the vapor. So when everything is done, this is what it looks like. It smells beautiful, by the way. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl and I'm gonna shred it out. Beef is ready, so I shred it with the back of my fork. You can use knife if you like. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing like that. So after you shredded them, I'm just gonna transfer it to the bowl. So after you break it down, I'm gonna intensify the flavor. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon of the chipotle sauce. And I'm gonna mix all of them. So after you mix it well, we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna give it a try. All right guys, so everything is done. Now we're gonna give it a try. I have my white tortilla over here. Put the barbacoa beef barbacoa. I'm gonna put some guacamole. Salsa. And I have Tex-Mex cheese. Put it on top. Now we're gonna give it a try. So we're back at top. Beef barbacoa taco. I'm gonna give it a try. It's very good, very tasty, very savory. It's very simple to make also. So if you guys want to check how my salsa made or how my guacamole made, just check on the link descriptions. I'm gonna put it on the link descriptions about how to make guacamole and how to make my salsa. So give it a try. All the combinations of the beef barbacoa, the Tex-Mex cheese, salsa, and guacamole is really good. So if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.